Here am I'm back with another video. Today I am finally making slime. Yeah, I already started stuff. So, yeah, this is the glow-in-the-dark glue. I think I took the last one at Walmart. I know people gonna be mad at me. So, yeah, let's get into it. It's kind of hard to pour out. And I want to shout out to my grandma and thank her for getting me this today. So yeah, if you want more slime videos, subscribe to my channel and you'll get them. Shoot. I think this will be a part 2 because this is hard to get out when I'm taking this myself. Hang on, you guys. Alright, you guys, I'm back. Let's do this. Look. It is so tight. Look at this color though. Y'all think I should comment down below if y'all thought I should mix these in, because I don't really think I'm going to. But comment down below if you think I should. Shoot. I would do a shout out to Renee, but she's not mad at me no more, so. And Lydia. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna use a spoon now again. My dad bought me slime. It didn't turn out so well, and I think I lost it. He said not to bring it over, so hopefully he lets me bring this. Hopefully he lets me bring this slime over. Alright, I think I'm done with this bottle. Now let me use this again and scrape this. Okay, so I'm not really sure. I think I'll use a little bit of this. Just like a little bit. See what color it turns into. So yeah, you guys, let's do it. Oh shoot, that came out wrong. Look how this comes out. I think that was too much, you guys. So now I'm going to add the activator. And this is literally all the stuff they gave me. So yeah. I'm going to pour one cap, one thing, see how that turns out. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. So you guys, I added it. I added in the activator. Now I'm on to the mixing part. And I think it's already turning into slime. I'm going to add a little bit more. But this time I'm going to pour it. Okay, you guys, let's stir up again. Here comes the slime. It's turning into slime, you guys. Okay, I guess I'm gonna read the directions now. I guess this is how it's supposed to turn out. And I'm gonna pour it. Hopefully I don't pour the whole thing. Next time I'll mix it. Alright, we're getting into it. It's turning into slime, you guys. Comment down below if you think I should pour the whole bottle. Shoot, I just spilled some on my pants. Guys, I just spilled some of the activator on my pants. It's really activator, but they call it magical liquid. Because I think it's water or something. But yeah. It's slime. I have slime. I'm going to pour just one. This time I'm going to pour one more cap. And that's it, guys. If it's not all the way into the slime, then I guess I'll pour one more this time. This kind of looks like slime. The magical liquid looks like slime, kind of. And I just spilled some on the store. Alright, you guys, I added some more and it's turning into slime. I think I added too much because I'm not so much stretch anymore. I think we made our first thing of slime. If you guys didn't subscribe and didn't like my videos at first, well, how you like me now? Renee, Lydia, Janaya, I think Dante, and then my cousins. Look at this, you guys. This is cool. Ooh, I'm spilling activator. Alright, you guys, I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I think I'm gonna make this color today. I'm not sure. Maybe tonight. Let me put this on before I end up spilling. But I think I might add just a bit more. Right there. That. I don't think that was a bit. Alright, so now I want to go get another spoon just in case I make that one and scrape this out. So now I think when I'm done mixing this one up, we're going to put our hands into it. And I got this from Walmart, you guys. And I think this is the best brand. And so I think you guys should go to Walmart, get this, watch this video if you want to. Oh my gosh, it's slimy, guys. If you want to know how to make it too, I want to say a very thank you. A special thanks to my grandma for buying this for me. Because at first she wasn't going to buy it and I wasn't going to make this video. Y'all would have still thought I was lame. Psh, how you like me now? Give this video a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and comment. And click that bell if you want all my videos. I'll get back. Well, not peace, but I'll get back to you guys when I get ready to put my hands into it. And I'm back, you guys. So, my hands got messy. I didn't play in it. It just spread it up to the spoon. It made some bubbles and stuff. And now I think we're ready to put our hands into it. But first, safety. Shoot this right here. Boop! Boop. My grandma asked me, did I add more stuff? Because I think she was going to be mad at me if I did. Or something, like you added too much or something. So I told her no because I didn't want to get in trouble with this slime art. Oh, now it's getting thick, you guys. Now it's getting thick. You guys, look at this. Look at this, you guys. This is tight. This is tight. I think we can use this for the other slime. I think we gotta use this now, you guys. Let's get into it. Okay, we're not gonna use that spoon. We're not gonna use that spoon. Alright. Turns out I might not. And let's see if I got some more glue in here because I can see it. Let's move the spoon before that get lost. Alright, we gonna add some more of this glue. Grandma! He's welcome.
Where's Maya?
Say hi to the YouTube, my fans.